When light units are secured with push pins, it is tempting to reach for a screwdriver, but the result is usually damaged paintwork and sometimes a cracked light unit as well. The solution is this new set from Laser that provides two purpose-made tools designed to remove light units safely and easily. First, remove any securing screws. Then choose the tool with the most suitable blade. Flat and angled are included. The plastic shielding blade is inserted on the paintwork side, and the tool is used to pull the light unit back, releasing it from the push pin securing it. On this vehicle, the push pins are located near the edge of the light unit. Once again, remove any securing screws. As the gap between the light unit and the paintwork is quite tight, masking tape is used to protect the paint on the edges. Now we can use the plastic shielding blade to discover the location of push pins or additional securing clips by inserting the blade past the edges of the light unit. A clip is discovered at the front near the curved part of the light unit. The angled edge tool is used this time, and the plastic shielding is curved around the blade to offer additional protection to the paintwork. The tool enables a firm positive pullback, releasing the light unit quickly and easily. Available now from your LaserTools supplier.